Hello friends, let's talk about adjustment of capital at the time of admission, case 1, where the new partner is supposed to bring proportionate capital or a share of total capital of the new firm. So let's start here with few cards. So I supposed over here that in the old firm there are two partners A and B. A contributed 30 lakh, B contributed 20 lakh. So the total capital of the firm was 50 lakh. Now they have decided that they need more capital for which they want a new partner to be admitted. So a new partner is admitted, that is C. Now in the firm there are three partners A, B, C. Three partners are required to make the new firm, and in that new firm the total capital would be also new one. So in the question you are given that this new partner who is admitted will bring 1/3 share of the total capital of the firm or the proportionate capital. These two cases can be written over there, that he is supposed to bring 1/3 share of the total capital of the firm or proportionate capital. But 1/3 of total capital of the firm is not known to us. What is known to us is the old firm, which is made up of A and B, and in which total capital was 50 lakh. So now 50 lakh plus new partners capital would make the total capital of the firm which is missing, and also the capital of new partner is also missing. Now how to solve it? Let's solve. Now C is supposed to bring 1/3 of total capital of the firm. What you have to do, you have to take numerator as it is, denominator minus numerator. What was the numerator value? 1. Keep it 1. Then after that the denominator was 3. Now from denominator we will deduct numerator. We got 1 upon 3 minus 1, that is 1/2. Now 1/3 was the total capital of the new firm. You will take 1/2 of the capital of the old firm here. So what is the capital of the old firm you have to take? That is adjusted capital of old partners is to be taken. In this given case, the adjusted capital of old partners was rupees 50 lakh. So we took 1/2 of 50 lakh, and the value of new partners capital is 1/2 of 50, that gives you 25 lakh. So how much is C supposed to bring in? 25 lakh. Now let's check. The question was 50 lakh plus proportionate is equals to the total capital. Now proportionate capital we got is 25 lakh. So 50 plus 25 lakh gives you total capital of the firm, that is 75 lakh. Let's check it now. In the question you were given that C is supposed to bring 1/3 share of the total capital of the firm. Now total capital of the firm is 75 lakh. So from 75 lakh, when we took 1/3 of 75 lakh, what is it? It is C's capital, that is of rupees 25 lakh. So in this case of your adjustment where proportionate capital is to be brought down or a part of capital of new firm is to be brought down by the newly admitted partner, you will apply the formula, that is numerator upon denominator minus numerator, and take it as of your adjusted capital of the old partners. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.